How to add a link to your TikTok bio in 2026. So, first of all, you need to have the TikTok application installed on your device and go ahead and launch it. Log into your specific account where you want to add a link to your TikTok bio. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once your profile appears, tap on the edit option that is beside your name. Now you'll get the option of bio. Go ahead and tap on that. And then simply go ahead and paste the link that you want to share with your friends and then tap on save in the top right corner. Note that you might not see the link as clickable when you view your own bio, but others will see it as a clickable link when they view your profile from their devices. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account and then tap on switch to business account. Follow the on-screen instructions, tap on next, and then add your email address. If you do not want to do that, tap on skip. Then after go to your profile, tap on edit. If you scroll down there, you'll see the option of links that is below the bio option. Go ahead and tap on add link. Tap on add. Tap on get started. Here, enter your basic information. Go through the on-screen instructions and select YouTube. Go to the links section and simply copy paste the link that you want to share with your friends. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.